Subtraction of fractions with the same denominators. Now, when we add and subtract fractions, you have a certain amount of steps that you need to follow. You have made notes on these steps in your books. I am also sending pictures with the steps on along with this video. All right. So let's quickly go through the steps that you need to follow. Steps for adding fractions with same denominators. Step 1, make sure all the denominators are the same. Step 2, add the whole numbers. Step 3, add the numerators, only the numerators. Step 4, if you have an improper fraction, you need to change this into a mixed fraction. And step 5, simplify your answer. Now, for subtracting fractions with same denominators, step 1, make sure all the denominators are the same. Step 2, subtract the whole numbers. Step 3, is the left numerator bigger than the right numerator? If not, go to step 4, borrow from the whole number. Step 5, subtract the numerators. Remember, only the numerators. Step 6, if you end up with an improper fraction, you need to change this to a mixed fraction. Step 7, simplify your answer. All right, let's look at the first example. 3/12 plus 5/12. Are my denominators the same? Yes, they are. So let's add the numerators. 3 plus 5/12 is going to give me 8/12. Can I simplify this answer? Let's find the highest common factor. Factors of 8, 1, 2, 4, and 8. Factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Common factors are 1, 2, and 4. Therefore, my highest common factor is 4. I need to divide by my highest common factor, which is 4. Remember, what you do at the top, you need to do at the bottom. And then my answer will be 2/3. This is my final answer. Okay, let's look at the second example. 2 3/4 plus 1 3/4. Are my denominators the same? Yes, they are. Step 2, add the whole numbers. 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore, I have the calculation 3 3/4 plus 3/4, which is 3 plus 3 over 4. Okay, this is going to give me 3 6/4. Now, this is an improper fraction, which I need to change to a mixed fraction. I do this by dividing the numerator by the denominator. So we have 6 divided by 4 equals 1 remainder 2. Now I need to add my whole numbers again. So it's 3 plus 1 2/4, which is going to give me 4 2/4. Now, can I simplify this fraction? Let's find the highest common factor. The highest common factor is 2. I have to do at the top what I do at the bottom. I divide by the highest common factor. My final answer, 4 1/2. Right, subtraction. 4 4/8 minus 2 5/8. Subtract the whole numbers from each other. 4 minus 2 is 2. This gives me 2 4/8 minus 5/8. Now, is my left numerator bigger than my right numerator? It is not. Therefore, I have to borrow from the whole number. Now, I take my whole number, multiply it by my denominator, and plus my numerator. So, it's 2 times 8 plus 4, which gives me 28. Now, I have 28 minus 5/8. This is going to give me 15/8. This is an improper fraction, so I need to turn it into a mixed fraction. So, 15 divided by 8 equals 1 remainder 7. And this is my final answer. 7/8 cannot be simplified any further. All right, last example. 2 5/6 minus 1 1/6. Are my denominators the same? Yes, they are. So let's subtract the whole numbers. 2 minus 1 is 1. That leaves me with 1 5/6 minus 1/6. 5 minus 1 is going to give me 4. So I have 1 4/6. Can this fraction be simplified? Let's find the highest common factor. Yes, it can. My highest common factor is 2. So I divide at the top and I divide at the bottom. This is going to give me my final answer of 1 2/3. Please try out the activity that I'm attaching to this video. Enjoy!